Alright, guys, I'm back again. I'm back again after a long time, and it's bad news. Bad news, guys, bad news. Look, over here, it's a falcon, eagle. And I asked my mom, she threw some more here for eagle. Let's go and find the diamond. He's no more, guys. My OG is no more. Oh, right here, look. Look. Diamond is no more, guys. Anyways, this one is going to be a short video. Hey, Prince. The baby. The diamond baby. Why the eagle? That eagle didn't take this guy. I have to do one thing. Don't get me wrong, okay? Just they have one egg here. It's pretty cool. What I'm gonna do here is this guy here lay 8 egg 2-3 days ago. Okay. I just gave him that one egg. Nothing here. And I think he almost got an attack. Look, his feather on his head. Okay. अनि म चारो म सुतिरहेको थिएँ मम्मीले उठाउनुबाट तल आउँदाखेरि she was like no more. कतिवटा रह्यो अब one, that's Mike, Tyson here, Prince and Little Diamond. I think that one is male. And oh, the white, pure white, Juliet, Romeo. Wait a minute. Why is another one? Oh, the both are here. London and Prince. यिनीहरूको नाम राखिदिएको सबैको हैन यो प्रिन्स हो पछाडिको लन्डन हो अनि डायमन्डको बेबी यहाँ डायमन्ड उफ पर he is no more, he is no more. डायमन्डको गर्लफ्रेन्ड एक्लै भयो यो पनि डायमन्डको बेबी हो यो डायमन्डको बेबी र यो माइक डायमन्डको बेबी. Alright, so let's make this one longer one. म कोही कोही बेला यिनीहरूलाई पकाएको भात पनि दिन्छु. I used to feed him rice, cook rice, rice now. And do subscribe, guys. You guys already know thumbnail. Which one is going to be the thumbnail? Man, Tyson girlfriend is over there. That one is younger than him. Go and check my MK life. That time I try to pair this one Brownie and Tyson before. It didn't make it like. I think they're gonna lay egg today or tomorrow because her belly is really big. And here this one is female. I think that one is the black one. It's going to be a male. It's pretty. I'm like 90% sure. That means 100% sure. So I just keep them like hot water with vinegar. अनि के छ अरू यो अहिले जाडोको बेलामा it's a winter time. It's hard to lay egg and there's no more chance like 50-50 chance for hatching the baby. I'm sorry girl for your boyfriend, husband, whatever is normal. That one is the tiger eagle is female. And over there the black one, I think that this one is going to be female. That's over there, Mikey baby, the first one, 2022. And this one and my diamond, they are pretty old, maybe 3 years. And brownie also, and what is it over there? What? Is that male? Okay. And this one is not sick, okay? These are the cold. Why I'm saying that one किन भनिरहेको छु भने मैले यो किनकि I check his or her poop, that's normal poop just like others. Yeah, because of the cold weather. It's really windy. I think he attacked at maybe at 7 a.m. in the morning. Before Tyson and Mike, they had together. So he's the mom. Before I thought this one is going to be male. I mean female. But this one became a male and that one became a male. दुईटै भाले भइदियो. अनि यो इन्दुर बस्ने मैले यो कति 45 मिनट भित्र बनाइसकेको. I've made this one. I think it takes 45 minutes for me to build this one. I use hand saw. No, there is no egg for you guys, girl, because your partner is dead. Your hobby, your chumma is dead, bro. and this brownie is his side chicks, diamond side chicks. Now these two are still like she was single since I started raising them, and she became single now. And what's that? For others, yeah, bro. This is what it is. Do subscribe. Do subscribe. I think she laid egg. Wait, give me a sec. She laid egg maybe yesterday or I don't know. So I put that egg over there with this girl here. Look, I have to clean this one. That's your mother, man. Come on, stop it. Tyson, come on. Let's do it like this. Let me clean this one real quick. This is what I use. Yeah. All right, let me put this one down. This one is Prince. Chicken leg. Chicken leg. Prince and his daughter, and the pure white is his son. Okay. After that, I sold these two pairs. Yeah, two pairs. And I sold her one single baby, and I sold her one pair baby. this one really quick here. There is nothing. There's nothing. Hey, yo, what you doing? You have egg over there? Put him down. I know this one is like, okay, let that do their job. Alright, gotta go guys, bye.